Do you want to learn how to check sent requests on Instagram? Well, you've come to the right video. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do this. However, please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid any mistakes in this process. Let's get started. Open your Instagram app and click on your profile icon located below. Tap the three-line menu icon and select your activity. Now, scroll down and click on Download Your Information. Then, tap on Request Download. Here, choose the second option labeled Select Type of Information. Scroll down and find Followers and Following, tap on it, and click Next. Next, select the media quality as High. Now, pick your desired date range. For example, I'm choosing the last 6 months. Leave the following option as it is and click Submit Request. After submitting the request, you'll need to wait a couple of minutes. Once the requested files are ready, you can download them. As you can see, the download has been completed. Click on Download. To open the file, you might be asked for your Instagram password. Once the file is downloaded, navigate to your files and locate the Instagram downloaded data that you saved. Extract the file and open the Followers and Following folder. Inside, you'll find a file named Pending Followers Request. This file contains all your pending follow requests. If you want to cancel any of these requests, tap on the profile names. You'll be redirected to the respective Instagram profiles. From there, you can tap on the Follow button again to cancel the request. This is how you can find sent requests and delete them on Instagram. We hope you found our video helpful. If you did, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.